Hello everyone, it's Mrs Edwards here. It is Monday the 1st of March 2021 and it is time for reading skills. So today and all this week we are going to be looking at different types of poetry. Now what do I mean when I say poetry? So we've got three different explanations here. So in poetry, the sound and meaning of words are combined to express feelings, thoughts and ideas. The poet chooses words carefully and the poetry is usually written in lines. And here you can see a bit of a word cloud with lots of different words that may be connected to poetry. So, and then down here our explanation is it's a collection of words that express an emotion, an idea or sometimes a specific meaning, sound or rhythm. Okay, so here is today's poem. I wish. I wish I was an only child, no brothers or sisters to drive me wild. I wish I had an older brother and a sister and another. I hate it when we have a fight. I'm always wrong, they're always right. I hate it when there's no one there to play with me, to laugh, to share. So that's quite a short poem, but you can see it's written using two different writing styles, so you can connect the first verse with the third verse and the second verse with the fourth verse quite nicely there. Okay, so these are our questions for today, and it says, why does the child in the first verse want to be an only child? And that is a retrieve question. So if we go back, why does the child want to be an only child? So you need to retrieve that information from there. Okay, and then in question 2 it says, in the first verse find and copy one word that means very cross, and that's a vocabulary question. So in this one here, very cross, which word means very cross? And then question 3 says, what does the poem say about having brothers and sisters? Is it that it is sometimes good and it's sometimes bad? Is it that it is never good? Is it that it is always fun? Or is it that it is often dangerous? So the whole poem, what does it, in summary, what does it say about having a brother or a sister? And then question 4 says, at the end of the poem, why can't the child laugh and share? So if you look at the last verse here, why can't they laugh and share? So that is an explain question. And then question 5 says, what do you notice about the last two verses of the poem as they begin? So have a little look. What is similar about how those the last two verses begin? And then question 6 is a vocabulary question, and it says, look at the words at the end of each line of the poem, write down the words that rhyme, and the first one is done for you. So the example one that's given is child and wild. So if we look, child and wild are there in the first verse, and you will notice they rhyme. Remember, a rhyming word is a word that ends with the same sound. And you've got brother, fight, and there. So if you look at the poem, there is brother, there is fight, and there is there. And you need to find each word that rhymes with those, okay? So that is your reading skills lesson for today, lovelies. I hope you get on okay with it. Please remember to upload your work as soon as it is done. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.